Hey, what's up? It's your boy Sean, aka Carlton Robinson. Everybody know me. Let's go. I dedicate this to my wife. Check me out. I know a lot of people been waiting for to hear something from me, but they call me Lil Ginuwine anyway. You know what I'm saying? Everybody say I sound like him, so y'all check it out. And y'all let me know. Here we go. Since you came inside my life, you giving me the best of you every day and night. I found my happiness in you, make me wanna fly to the top of every rainbow. Then you give me peace of mind, you bring me comfort to my soul, give me such a high. No, I will never let you know, make me wanna fly to the top of every rainbow. I love you more every day. Show you love in every way. There's nothing left for me to say, but I love you. I love you more every day. Show your love in every way. There's nothing left for me to say, but I love you. So promise me you'll never leave. You never said this is the end. Spend your life with me.